Physiology and Anatomy. Physiology is the study of the function of living things, including processes such as nutrition, movement, and reproduction. Anatomy is the study of structure of internal workings of something. Human physiology. In human physiology, we attempt to explain the specific characteristics and mechanisms of the human body that make it a living being. There have been the four types of human physiology. Cell physiology. This is the cornerstone of human physiology. It is the study of the human functions of cells. Special physiology. This is the study of the functions of special organs. For example, renal physiology is the study of kidney function. Systemic physiology. It includes all aspects of the function of the body system, such as cardiovascular physiology, respiratory physiology, reproductive physiology, etc. Pathophysiology. It is the study of the effects of disease on organs or system functions. First, cell. Cell is the structural and functional unit of living being. Human body is built up of various types of cells. The cells vary in size and shape. The size of the cell varies from 5 to 50 nanometers. A mature ovum is the largest cell, 130 nanometer. A human cell mainly composed of a cell membrane, nucleus, and cytoplasm. Cell membrane. The cell membrane is tough elastic membrane that limits the protoplasmic contents. It is about 7.5 to 10 nanometer in thickness. Functions are: it forms the boundary of cell, it maintains shape of a cell, it limits the protoplasmic contents within the cell, it controls the passage of all substances into or out the cell, it acts as a sensory surface. Mitochondria. Mitochondria are membranous organelles having greater metabolic significance. It produces ATP, so it is called powerhouse of cell. Functions. It is responsible for ATP production. It is the chief sites for Krebs cycle, concerned with the synthesis of DNA and RNA. Nucleus. The nucleus is a rounded or elongated or spherical structure of cell which is associated with carrying genetic information. Functions are: vault of genetic information essential for biosynthetic events and takes part in cell division. Endoplasmic reticulum. An extensive network of membrane and closed tubules in the cytoplasm of cells which is responsible for metabolic functions. There are the two types of endoplasmic reticulum, smooth and rough. Smooth ER associated with the CHO metabolism, cholesterol synthesis and lipid synthesis. Rough ER is protein synthesis and provides a system for transport of newly synthesized proteins. Membrane transport. It is a biophysiochemical process by which different substances are transported through the cell membrane from inside to outside or vice versa in our body. Active transport. The movement of substance across the cell membrane against the concentration gradient with active expenditure of energy by the help of carrier is called active transport. Passive transport is the movement of substance across the cell membrane along the concentration gradient from higher to lower is called passive transport. Exocytosis is the process by which cells releases macromolecules to the exterior. Hormone, enzymes, protein are released by this process. Endocytosis. The process by which cells takes up macromolecules. It is of two types: pinocytosis and phagocytosis. Pinocytosis is applied for liquid substances, proteins and vitamins enter by this process. Phagocytosis applied for microscopically visible substances as bacteria, dead cells, etc. Body fluid. Water. 57% of body weight is adjusted for the water body fluids and weights in 60s or 70 kg adult male and 50% in adult female. In a newborn, it is about to 75% weight is the water. There are the two types of fluid compartment: intracellular and extracellular. Intracellular is about 28 liters. It is 40% the sum total of the fluid content of all the cells present in the body. Extracellular means for the 14 liters and the 20% of the body fluid. And it can also further depend on to interstitial fluid which is 5% and blood plasma which is 15%. There is another small compartment of the fluid that is referred to as the transcellular fluid. It is usually considered to be the specialized type of extracellular fluid. It constitutes of about 1 to 2 liters. This compartment includes synovial fluid, peritoneal fluid, pericardial fluid, intraocular fluid and cerebrospinal fluid. Thank you for your patient listening.